Cool story, my sister was the only girl in her team, and she was an all-star player. She was the only one picked to play in the all-star team. The all-star is when they choose the best player from each team to represent their city. And of course, my sister was chosen. I'm gonna post those pictures. The first sport-inspired exercise are baseball swings, okay? So we're gonna swing to one side pivot, very similar to what we were just doing, but we're gonna swing, come back, and we're going both sides. I know that this is not exactly a baseball move because you stick to one area and then you swing, but we're doing both sides because this is an exercise and we're just working out. But hey, if you ever decide to go to the batting cages or play a little game of baseball or softball, your body will be ready and you won't pull something. That's my biggest fear, you know, you're playing just a simple, friendly game, friendly sport, and then you hurt yourself. I don't want that happening to you. I don't want that happening to myself. All right, baseball swings. All right, we're gonna stay in the same movement pattern, but we're just going to lower